Hi guys, I'm going to read chapter 6 to chapter 7. I hope you enjoyed this video. Chapter 6, a bunch of stuff that happened next. Meanwhile, screw, cork, screw, wire. At last, my hextronic drone formation is complete. Okay, Bubby, you need to scan this comic. Chunka. Now go find the kid who made it. And so, well, I should have known. Don't just stand there. Get him. And so, oh hi Papa. Don't call me Pup. Hey, where's Dogman? Dogman isn't here. Dogman is my friend. Dogman saved me from a bunch of weirdos. Dogman goes ruff. Would you cut that out? Ruff. 2 hours later, then 2 weird guys wanted to dye my fur pink, so Dogman goes and then Dogman goes ruff. And Dogman scared him all away. And then enough about Dogman. Ruff. Snap. Ruff. Snap. Ruff. Hey, look, it's Dogman. Watch and learn, kid. Petey is the world's most smartest cat. Proudly presents the true story of Dogman. La da. Hi, I'm Dogman. I'm a big dummy. I like to chase cars and drink out of the toilets. Ha. That's not funny. Ha. Duh, I gotta go sniff other dog's butt and roll around in duck poop and go take stupid lessons so I can be ha. That's not funny. Look who's here. It's Petey. Look at me. I'm so smart. I'm totally cool. I build awesome robots and other cool stuff. I gotta rule the world one day. Hey, do Dogman again. No, Dogman is done. Petey is a genius. He's so cool and handsome. Everybody wants to be like Petey. Just look at Vice Quite. Those massive pieces, those abs and of steel, those tyrannical high cheekbones. You know, if I weren't the modest, I'd meanwhile. Ring. Hi, Dogman. It's me, Sierra. How's it going? Ruff. Oh no, we'll be right over. What's the problem, Dogman? Come on, let's make some copies and spread them around. What should we do with this dead fishy thing? Let's get rid of it. We don't want it sticking up the place. Okay. 2 points. Oh man, uh-oh. That fish electronic claw punched the living spray tank. Pretty soon, the whole factory will fill up with living spray. What should we do now? Run! And that's the end of chapter 6. And hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and turn on the notification bell. Bye.